Hello from Slovenia again. I will do another flip cup marble pour, and I did add silicone, this Pentart silicone oil, 2 drops in 3-ounce cups in every one of them except white, and I have my marbles ready. And I will layer 2 cups, and I will work on 12 by 12 inch canvas. And while I will layer them, I will talk about the colors. So I will add just a little bit of titanium white, Amsterdam titanium white on the bottom. And the next one is permanent blue violet from Amsterdam, and I will layer my paints carefully one on top of each other, not dirty pour or whatever, just nicely layer them. Okay, I can do this. And this one is Quanequadone Rose Light from Amsterdam, and I was inspired in some blooms in the spring and some nice, nature starting to live here in Slovenia. So this was this permanent red violet from Amsterdam Expert series, and I have Amsterdam titanium buff light. I have quite a lot of colors, so hope that I will not get a big mud out of this. And next one is Amsterdam Azo Yellow Middle, and I want to do this combination in 2 rows, I don't know, I have something in my head that I want to achieve, and I will see. This one is Amsterdam Yellowish Green, and this one is Pebeo Iridescent Green Blue, and the last one is Windsor&Newton phthalo green. And I will speed my video for the next layering part. I will do just, and I always add more paint to the first cup, so I will just change them. And I will add a little white again and go all over with purples and so on. Okay, so I layered my cups, and because I will pour over one of the pours that I didn't like, I just added a little white paint on canvas, not as a base coat or something, but just some white paint, maybe just a little more, because I will do a marble pour and I really want to have a nice amount of paint to play with, So when I will till that, I will have enough paint to do that with a marble. So just a tiny coat of white, the same one that I used in my flip cups. So I will flip this one here and this one here, and I will probably do a hole and kind of do I don't know, to release some more paint. Let's do this one first. Okay, let's travel. Okay, and I will do that. And you heard here probably noises, but that's how it is in real life. Okay, and now I will just tilt this a little bit first. I will kind of walk now. I tilt off the part that I really liked, but now it is what it is. I really like this, so maybe I will just torch it and not do a marble pour. We will see when I will torch it, and I have to be careful because I really don't want to over torch this one because I really like it. So I will just, you know, work a little bit on my corners before I will, because wow. And where is my torch? Now I have to be really careful with torching. I'm still debating if I want to. Maybe I should even leave it because it was beautiful before. So have to do one without silicone. Now I see that I want to do that. But this one I will use a marble too, so I will just torch it a little more. I will go through the middle because I want the line through the middle. So I really love this, don't get me wrong, but I will do it without the silicone with the same colors. But now in this one I really want to see how it will look with cells and marble. So okay, now to the marble part. Sorry guys, but either you will hear music or something worse, somebody making a noise outside. So I really want to go through the middle here, and I will start from here. A lot of paint on the canvas, you see, so I probably have to work on this a little bit, because otherwise will be too much paint on. Definitely have to tilt some off. Wow, way too much paint. Marble rolls just weren't okay because I have too much paint again. So here is a close-up. Lesson 1. Don't use too much paint like I did. This thing is really this part is really beautiful, and I like the painting, but I will say that this wasn't a successful pour because, you know, I just had too much paint, and I was afraid that this could, you know, crack if I will have so much paint. So, but still I will do one without silicone because I loved the first, right after I, you know, did the floating cup. See some ghosts here. See those cells here, those two, so cute. But I'm really happy with this one too. So this was it for today. And see you on the next one. Bye.